Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play games in PPSS22. First, download the PPSS22 emulator directly from the Google Play Store onto your Android device. Next, legally acquire your PlayStation 2 game ROMs, which are compatible in ISO, ZIP, or 7-zip formats. After installation, you will want to configure some initial settings to ensure the best possible gaming experience on your mobile device. Once PPSS22 is installed, launch the application. The interface is straightforward. Simply tap on the Select PS2 ISO button. This will prompt you to navigate your device's internal storage to find your downloaded PlayStation 2 game file. Select the game, and it should immediately begin to run, allowing you to enjoy your classic titles on the go with ease. To enhance your gaming experience on PPSS22, consider optimizing performance. Adjust the rendering resolution. A lower setting can provide smoother gameplay. For better frame rates, especially on less powerful devices, enable frame skipping. You can also experiment with different backend renderers like Vulkan or OpenGL. For improved visuals, try setting the upscale multiplier to 2 times. PPSS22 offers several advanced features to enrich your gaming. You can save and load your game state at any moment, providing great flexibility. For a more authentic experience, connect an external gamepad, offering tactile control. Enable the full screen option to maximize your viewing area. Remember to keep your emulator updated regularly to benefit from new features and important bug fixes and ensure compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.